make a healthy dosa with pork dry fry and fried egg. Let's see the whole video. It's the breakfast time. Let's make a pork dry fry dosa with fried egg. Let's make the batter first. Rice 2 cups, urd dal 1 cup, fenugreek 1 teaspoon. Wash well at least 2 times and soak in water for 7 to 8 hours. Remove from the water to a blender. Add 1 cup of boiled rice and add just enough water and blend into a fine paste. Remove and add to a bowl. Add just enough salt. Combine well and leave it on a warm place. So let it ferment overnight and it will be a beautiful dosa batter like this. Place a cast iron skillet on a medium heat. The pork, the Angamaly pork, the recipe and the link I will give you on the description box. Heat up the pork, just mash it and make it dry, extra crispy, extra tasty. Using the batter, make a thin grape or dosa like this. And let it cook for a minute. After a minute, drizzle some oil on the top. And dosa will be starting to get crisper. Using a spatula, if you have any extra batter, just spread it out. Remove from the edges and remove the dosa from the skillet. Keep it on the skillet and add the pork dry fry and spread it all over. Crack a fried egg. I suggest to keep it as a sunny side up and let the white cook. Because when you're having the tasting, the yolk will give you a beautiful flavor. And remove to a plate and enjoy. Let's try the pork dosa with the fried egg. Very crispy. Wow. Very good combination. Let's enjoy and eat. And don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses.